What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hopefully this new method would be a way for everyone. I can't make everyone happy. Some people really like to sit and chat the whole time. Others just want the information. So I'm thinking Sunday, Thursday, we go live, we chit-chat, we can Zoom, all that. Monday, Wednesday, I record. I go over everything you guys have in the ticker call-out. And boom, these videos should be much faster, more to the point. Just remember, if my answer wasn't clear, your question wasn't clear. So again, if you just post the ticker, I'm going to give you my opinion on that ticker. If there is a specific play that you are in, please let me know. And guys, grammar will matter. If you say you're buying a put, I'm going to assume one. If there's an S in there, S is plural. That means I'm going to assume multiple. So there's different plays there when you're dealing with multiple contracts. But anyway, this is a trial run. We'll see how it is. As far as the dollar goes, sideways. Flat. Now, this did get called out in the chat earlier, US CAD. Because that looks like just an absolute giant bull flag. Nice little rally-based rally. And I'm short the dollar, but this thing I think I would have to go long on. So let's get into the 4 hour real quick. I will zone this out. I don't know if this is called out, but this is a play I'm interested in now. At least as a hedge. If I'm short the dollar, maybe this can be a decent hedge. Very horizontal. If anything right now, I would go long, and I would have to be playing this trend overall. So you could put your stop. If you wanted to go bigger position, a tighter stop, you could put it right here. Particularly me, I like to go like at least, this goes for wedges or anything like that, I'm at least the middle of the triangle, if not all the way down. So depending on your time frame and how you want to manage risk, I would probably put my stop down here at 143.63. That would likely get you out of any quick little 15-minute wicks or anything like that. No earthquake's going to come in and get you. It would take a real mover to tag you out. Forex has a lot of those just little jolts. Again, so I'm short the US dollar, Japanese yen. Starting to work our way. Hopefully we are trending down. So send it. Bitcoin itself, that's what we do. We drop down, hit that zone, bounce back up. Had a little bit of trouble right here, but we're kind of back in this range. I'm going to leave all these three highlighted for a reason. We were very horizontal right here. I almost feel like I should rotate these. We're going to have to. We have enough data in here to support. That's a yellow zone. And this for now it's gonna be a strong blue zone because we really stayed right there for a little bit. Yeah, I would be bullish this too. Speaking of bullish, I'm debating on where I'm going to put the money. XLU came within 3 cents of the stop loss. If anybody's watching that play, 3 cents. So as soon as that triggers, I'm going to trail it. It's on the it's 1 foot out the door. And I'm debating on buying Beto again. I am bullish Bitcoin. Maybe we collect a couple dividends before things start to break. But that's kind of up in the air. I was looking at Beto today. I got to say the chart didn't look too bad. S&P overall, I don't know, zone to zone. Went from zone to zone, hit it up, came all the way back down, zone to zone, ultimately holding this. We gapped down at the open. We're pushing up right now. There was just nothing today. So Powell, he didn't raise rates. Some people were thinking he was going to raise rates. At that same time, other people thought he was going to cut rates. Again, I don't think they're cutting rates until something breaks. They're not just going to give you something. So that's where my head's at. I think we're going to go up, and then once things start to break, we'll start cutting rates, and then that's when probably things will end up dropping. For now, we had some volatility, just a lot of back and forth between these two. Buyers definitely holding it down right here. I would say this is more timidness, maybe. I don't know, just letting go of shares easier. I would lean to the bullish side for now. But I gotta say, breaking above that blue, we're bullish. Breaking below that, we're bearish. And I would play that current trend. The NASDAQ's actually holding up pretty well. Microsoft took an absolute beat down. Meta's up a little bit. Tesla's up a little bit. Probably counteracting Microsoft. Same volatility today, just played between these two zones. I sold my puts earlier. Looking back, I'm glad I did as far as the QQQ puts. Glad I locked in Tesla puts too. I would even entertain I kind of want to go long. I want to be in the NASDAQ, and I kind of want to just hold it. So I do want to go long, but maybe some calls. Maybe next Friday calls. As a matter of fact, I'm in Google. Okay. Not good. Got some catching up to do. I guess we check expected moves. Reined it back in, and we're hanging out. S&P just bouncing right off of it. Grandpa Dow just stayed in his place all day. No one was there to get Grandpa Dow out of the old folks' home, so he sat in his little room all day. Someone should really visit that guy. Let him know people still care. All right, as far as the Russell, he kind of felt bad. Didn't really do much. Financials, did they do anything? Still kind of grinding their way up. All right, jumping into